Hello guys, so it's Friday, so let's do a weekly anime recap. So, focus muna tayo sa mga big announcement for this week. So, Magic Knight Reearth already announced a remake, and also Tokyo Ghoul magkakaroon din ng art exhibition. So, hindi ko pa alam kung animated or remake to, pero once na meron tayong further details, I will let you know. So, dako na tayo sa mga spring season anime na mga tapos na, and ito yung mga dapat nating abangan. So, Kaiju number 8 is already finished with 12 episodes, pero nag-announce na sila ng sequel nito for the next season. So, sobrang excited kasi more Kaiju for us. So, Demon Slayer already finished with 8 episode na may pasabog na last episode, pero mas marami pa silang pasabog dahil kasi meron pa silang in-announce na magkakaroon ng 3-part movie ang Demon Slayer. So, magiging available na to very soon. So, wait na lang tayo for further announcement. Jobless Reincarnation is already finished also, and